Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Leslie and I'm a bagaholic. I review all kinds of bags ranging from Lululemon to Coach to Louis to Hermes. If you're interested in these types of videos, please consider subscribing. Today's video is about Go Forth Goods. This is a new brand that I recently discovered. The bags are handmade here in the USA, Marietta, Georgia to be exact. It's close enough that I was able to visit the store location and see the bags in person. It's not really a retail store, it's more of a showroom. And you're able to purchase the bags on display if you want to. I talked with Mark, and I think he may have been the manager at the store, and he was nice enough to explain the different leathers that were available and the different ways you can customize a bag. What really grabbed my attention is that these bags are made to order. You can customize your bag on the website. I placed an order and it just arrived, and I can't wait to see my bag in person. In this video, I'll give my first impressions of the bag, and in the future there will be a more detailed review of the bag as I use it, and I'll give you the pros and cons. So let's get to this unboxing. Can't wait. So I ordered the Mini Hoffman Deluxe. So let's see how the package. So they put everything in a plastic bag. It's very, very minimally wrapped. It's to keep the prices low as possible. So let's see. Okay, comes with some directions. I'll give you a little key fob, a sticker, and this was made by, I think it says Brie? I'm not really sure. So that's kind of cool. It gives you the crafted date, the name of the bag, and the order number. So that's really nice. I like that a lot. Okay, let's just take a look. I could just smell the leather from here. This is really amazing. So the handles are very firm. Let's see if I can get a better look at these. So it says Go Forth Goods, and I think over here it says established 2014. So there are hide requests that you can ask for, and I went for striations. So this is very, very nice. It does feel very tough leather. So it's tough, but at the same time, as you wear it, it's gonna soften up. So let's take a look at the zipper. It's a little bit coarse feeling, but it's to be expected. These teeth are very wide here. There's double zippers, which I really like, but I think the more you use it, it'll smooth out, and I'll probably add some wax over here just to make it a little bit smoother until it wears in. So it comes with a crossbody strap. You can also ask for different lengths. There are options available on the website, so everything is pretty much like customized if you want it to. I also asked for these copper rivets, otherwise it'll come with brass. The inside is lined with really soft suede. There's also an inside pocket over here. It's pretty nice. Let's see if I can get some better lighting. So it doesn't weigh too much. I actually thought it was going to be heavier than it is, but it's actually a pretty lightweight bag. So there's no feet on the bottom. So this is where you attach the straps. I'm probably going to use one of my own straps that I already have, because I think this one may be too long for me. But I'll give it a try and I'll see how it is. But I like that there's this wide shoulder pad here that's going to be really comfortable, but I think it may be too long. So that is it. Those are my first impressions for right now. I'm going to wear this bag and see how I like it. So this pocket, I'll probably slip my cell phone in here. And then the inside here, it's a small pocket. You can probably put like a card case or anything like that, but it'll carry like everything I need. So I love this rustic American look at the moment. And this color is saddle too. I don't know if I mentioned that, but this is saddle. It's a very kind of a medium brown. And then this, the handles, I believe, is mocha. So you can choose different color handles too if you want. I mean, you can pretty much customize anything on this bag. And if you're not sure, you can always ask and they will tell you if they can do it or not. So that is it for now. I'm going to wear it and I'm going to have a full in-depth review coming up soon. So if you want to check that out, please consider subscribing. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.